everyone, thanks for joining me for my first craft tutorial video. I will show you a cool and easy way to make magnets. Today's craft will include a little recycling magic. You can buy your own magnetic craft sheets, but I used the leftover magnet material that was left over from my Christmas magnet stickers. Feel free to use either or for your magnets. Before beginning this craft, for parents or legal guardians, please supervise children carefully or handle the harder steps yourself, especially when using scissors and hot glue, to ensure their safety. Let's get started. You will need your magnet sheets and tweezers to adjust the focal pieces. Of course, you need focal pieces, like glass stones or resin flowers. You will need scissors, glue gun for excess glue, and hot glue or E600 adhesive. This is a pretty simple project. I'm going to peel this paper off of my material. Then, just cut the size you need for your focal glue and wait for it to dry. They don't look like much right now, but by the time you watch this video, they will be sitting pretty on my fridge. I will be sharing how the finished product looks soon. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Here is what my magnets look like for now. By the time you watch this, they will be looking much better on my fridge. I'll be sure to share the finished product very soon. Thanks for watching.